Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get relief from heartburn naturally. Heartburn is a common problem that causes a painful burning sensation in your chest and throat that can keep you away from your favorite food and up at night for hours. The burning sensation is caused by acidic stomach juices rising into the esophagus when the wall between the esophagus and stomach does not close properly. This is why heartburn often occurs after eating fatty, fried, or acidic foods. Heartburn symptoms may include bitter taste, gas, nausea, bloating, and difficulty breathing. Here are some special home remedies to get relief from heartburn naturally. Home remedy number 1, Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a traditional remedy for treating heartburn, and its acidic nature works effectively to break down undigested food. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to 1 cup of warm water and mix it well. Consume this drink twice a day on an empty stomach to rejuvenate your digestion and ease heartburn. You can continue taking it for 4 to 5 days to prevent future bouts of heartburn. Home remedy number 2, baking soda. Baking soda is a natural antacid that can neutralize the acid flowing into your esophagus, thus providing rapid relief from heartburn. Things you will need for this remedy: baking soda, honey, and warm water. Pour 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 cup of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to it and mix the ingredients well. Consume this mixture whenever you are experiencing heartburn. The baking soda and honey drink will bring immediate relief from the discomfort and can be taken 3 or 4 times a day. Home remedy number 3, yellow mustard. The next time you are in the middle of a nasty bout of heartburn or feel one coming up, let yellow mustard come to your aid. Consume 1 teaspoon of plain yellow mustard directly. It may be too strong for your taste, but it will ease the heartburn. You can combine it with honey to improve its taste. Consuming mustard will bring you relief within 2 to 3 minutes. Home remedy number 4, ginger. Fresh ginger provides relief from heartburn. It absorbs acid in the stomach and helps calm the nerves that contribute to heartburn. Things you will need for this remedy: ginger, organic raw honey, and water. Pour 1 cup of water in a kettle and place it on a cooktop. Add 1 to 2 inches of freshly sliced ginger to the water. Bring it to a boil and then simmer it for 5 to 7 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the ginger infused water cool down. Strain the infused liquid into a cup using a sieve. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of organic raw honey to the ginger water and mix well. Sip on the ginger honey tea to get relief from heartburn symptoms. Drink this when you feel the need. Home remedy number 5, apple. An apple a day can definitely help keep your heartburn away. Apples are a very effective stimulant for digestion and can prevent heartburn by keeping the contents of your stomach down. Eat a fresh apple whenever you feel heartburn coming on. Continue eating an apple daily for 1 to 2 weeks to keep the flare-ups under control. Home remedy number 6, banana. Bananas are another fruit that can help to treat heartburn. Bananas have some natural antacid property that help neutralize stomach acid. Eat a ripe banana whenever you suffer from heartburn. You can also make it a habit to eat a banana before or after meals to prevent heartburn. Home remedy number 7, pickle juice. Pickle juice contains sodium and vinegar that can help to neutralize the acid flowing into your esophagus and break down undigested food. Consume not more than 1 tablespoon of pickle juice at a time to treat your heartburn. Take pickle juice whenever you feel discomfort from heartburn. Home remedy number 8, fennel seeds. Fennel seeds relieve gas and alleviate general stomach related discomforts. It also helps to get relief from heartburn symptoms. Drop 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds into 1 glass of hot water and allow it to steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover the glass with a lid while steeping. Strain the water in a cup and drink this tea daily to get relief from heartburn. Alternatively, you can chew dry roasted fennel seeds, especially after eating your meal, will also help to get relief from heartburn. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.